A very good morning and welcome to another video. This time from the beautiful Montilla. Usually in the weekends we go for a hike and then also go for either a gym or a city. This weekend there's a special thing. There's a Pokemon Go event and I am one of the long lost remaining players of Pokemon Go. And during all those things we're gonna train Leo a bit more to walk in the city, because next week or in 2 weeks he needs to be able to walk through Malaga during the whole weekend. Yes, let's do it!
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Let's spend the weekend in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
So we have arrived at our next location. This is just a regular, normal, boring buying center stuff, but a lot of the times there's also, oh, you can't see it, a basic fit there. So we're gonna do basic fit. And then what was the second thing what we were here for? Laundry, but that will be at another location. So it's just basic fit and shower for this location. So for Leo, he can spend easily 2 hours in his crate, and we and on purpose we did not let him sleep before we arrived here, so he could sleep for 2 hours in his crate now. And we do this every week, I think twice, so he's completely used to it and remains super calm whenever he's alone in the van.
I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied.
The next step of our gorgeous plan is laundry. And yes, this usually fits in one thing, so I hope that everything is free, and then I'll be back in an hour.
Now that Jeroen is away doing laundry, it is time for me to play with Leo for a bit. Today we've been a lot in cities and parking lots. That's why I'm gonna play a bit tug of war with him, so that he loses a bit of his energy.
Sometimes it is too late to find a nice parking spot with a view and with facilities and stuff, and then you're just going for a nice parking lot somewhere on the edge of the city where you just can park quietly for the night. Sometimes this just is what it is. Good night. So good morning from a completely different place during the day than it looks like at night. It always amazes me how shady a place can look during the night and how peaceful it can look during the day. Today we're going to Córdoba, but because in the city Leo can't run that much, we first need to let him run for like half an hour, 45 minutes here. So we're doing that now, right?
And this is a beautiful forest. If you walk 100 meters further away from the street, there's no garbage anymore, and then it's just a forest.
Let's burn some energy.
Yes.
Leo out, breakfast in, cleaning up. Córdoba, here we come. So the plan was going to Córdoba, having lunch, training Leo in some more energetic surroundings. But we drove into the city and then all of a sudden one road was blocked and another road was blocked. And I was like, usually this only happens with running events or something. So as closer we got to the parking spot, the camper parking spot where we wanted to be, we started to realize that there was a running contest. So today was actually the half marathon of Córdoba, and we usually want to avoid this and look it up as much as possible, but how big are the odds that the annual half marathon is today? Well, big apparently. So we're going back to Montilla now.
The whole situation reminded me of half a year ago when we were in Italy and Jeroen signed up for a half marathon of Napoli. That made me wonder, did you guys ever participate in a running contest? And did you also do ones abroad? Let me know in the comments below. Walking with the three of us in the park, doing some leash training, trying to ignore other dogs. I don't know if it's a thing, but all the Spanish dog owners just let their dogs greet on leash while they're pulling, and it's really chaotic and they all want to interact with us, but we prefer not to because Leo is pulling every time that he sees a dog, and we're trying to get that a bit out of it. Nu zit je hem.